So it's been quite volatile for the pound as of late, undoing its recent bull trend technical overview that had been stalling at the high, shifting a lot of its key technical indicators back to neutral. We do have a trending ADX, or average directional movement index, but in and of itself doesn't provide anything in terms of directions. But we're looking at it from a technical standpoint, and technicals are usually irrelevant in the face of fundamental forces, because that's exactly what we've been getting when it comes to GBP USD's price. When it comes to the pound, you've got Brexit uncertainties that makes it difficult to price where the pound is going to settle, and in the short term has caused key levels to break rather than hold. And because it's the pound against the US dollar, that means if there's any greenback volatility, the likes of which we witnessed when we had the US Federal Reserve's monetary policy announcement, the same can hold true. So what about UK economic data? We did get unemployment rising as expected earlier this week. We got pricing data with consumer price index, or CPI, beating estimates, but producer prices, a bit of a miss on that front. And today we've got the Bank of England's monetary policy announcement. No changes are expected when it comes to its key rate, still on hold at a record low 0.1%. That means if there is going to be a change, it's probably going to be on the asset purchases front. Maybe we'll get a policymaker or two voting in favor. So where exactly have traders positioned themselves ahead of the event? In this case, retail sentiment, when we plot it onto the chart, blue dotted line, in this case, that red line is 50%. So whenever the dotted line goes above, that means traders are majority long. Whenever it goes below, they're majority short. You can see that when it comes to retail traders, that blue dotted line shifting back and forth from majority short to majority long, back to majority short again. They've been range trading this volatility, and so far definitely has been in their favor. But they're not the only ones that have been shifting. Well, last month we had larger speculative traders, according to the Commitment of Traders report, shifting from majority short to majority long. That's the green dotted line on the chart, and since then have been upping that majority buys.